A source tree, a successful build, an installation, a launch, a human playthrough, and a public release are 6 different facts. Small teams and their agents often collapse them into one confident word: ready. Release Evidence Desk makes that impossible. This local-first workspace gives every release claim a dated evidence trail, source, review state, and derived verdict. The demo has good source and build proof, but the human journey is contradicted and 3 boundaries remain unverified, so the release stays blocked. The page registers 6 real imperative WebMCP tools. The agent reads the same live project and exact claim identifiers the human sees. It gets the project snapshot, audits every release claim, and finds 5 concrete gaps, including 1 proposed install note that still needs human review. The plan is derived from evidence, not a generic checklist. Developer checks come first, human play remains human-owned, and external release requires a current external observation with a clear done when condition. This is the trust boundary, the write is real and the page updates immediately, but agent proposed support is quarantined. Runtime remains unverified, coverage stays 2 of 6, and the release remains blocked until a person checks the source and confirms it. The shared state survives reload. A completely empty project is incomplete, not magically ready, and produces 6 explicit claim gaps. The final handoff removes emails, secrets, private paths, and private URLs, and states exactly what it did not prove: device tests, human play, submission, approval, or publication. The earlier MIT project inspired the problem framing only. This interface, evidence engine, WebMCP workflow, tests, assets, and Git history were created after the challenge opened. Release Evidence Desk, proof, not vibes.